Every now and again, it's important to break the routine of your life and do something you've never done before. In this video, Toju and I step out of our comfort zone and we explore new depths by doing something we've never done before. It's called kayaking. So watch this video to see how it all panned out, and remember to leave your comments right after this. Enjoy.
Why?
LL gives me a hug. So LL is here. Breakfast was good. It was good. You should have been there actually. Just buffet. I'm serious.
You want me to pass this place? I mean, that's your fun.
No, it was buffet, so it was
more than enough. So you want me to go? Tomorrow is another day.
Tomorrow's another day. I'm sure you wish you could hear what we're saying here, but it's alright. It's just between Toju and I, and sometimes you have to keep that secret. Blah 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 blah.
Hello. Hello. Good morning.
How are you?
Oh my god, you understand?
Welcome to the Maldives.
Thank you.
They're being friendly.
Yeah, let me tell you, like, what happened this morning.
This one is doing photo shoot. Oh yeah, there.
The timer thing. Yeah, this has no feature. Okay, so basically, guys, I came here how many days ago? A couple of days ago to kayak, but I was told that I needed to sign an agreement. Didn't know what that agreement was about, and then to wear shorts. So I couldn't do it that day, but that gave me enough time to prepare my mind.
No, because of the time. Okay, we were there, but today I didn't come here.
Yeah, so we're back.
I'll be glad to watch you, Sha, because I don't understand how you want to paddle all by yourself. Can you see this water? Can you see?
Yes, I can. It's clear. See,
Okay.
isn't it? It's clear.
Okay.
So
Let's
today, let's ask our kayak specialist to help us. Is the weather good?
Without.
The weather for kayaking is good. So we want to go on it now.
Yeah, okay, no problem.
Okay, so let's do it.
So, if you fill this kind of paper before?
No, I've never filled this kind of paper before.
So need to fill two of you going?
Yeah.
Yes.
So need to fill one form for each.
Alright.
You fill this area, one
Okay.
side here and one behind.
Okay, so what does the form say? That if anything happens, you're not liable?
So, liability form has some rules about the activities.
Okay. Can you see that? Not really. Okay, so just sign the form. So we have to sign this form, and we're reading the
Without
rules
any
now.
obligation.
So what are they
What
saying?
do you mean for all without any obligation from water sport? Can you see personal responsibility? Nobody's kayaking with me.
No, they will.
To third parties. This is the number 4 that makes complete sense. Can you see number 5?
Able to swim and float in the yeah, of course.
15 minutes. Emphasis on 15 minutes.
Yeah, but you'll be given a life jacket, so big deal. So LL is fully kitted and dressed, ready to dive into the...
I'm not diving into the water.
Okay, ready to go kayaking. How you feeling, LL?
I don't know what I'm feeling because you are the one who is feeling brave, and how we are going to do this is up to you. So I'm just following your lead because you are the one that is very excited about this.
Woo!
So hopefully it's actually a lot of fun, and we go forward and back.
Okay, so I'm excited about it.
Apparently.
Look forward to do this for how long? A couple of days. So let's see how it goes.
You can't do these things, it is so funny.
Don't worry, if I flop, I mean...
Kayak with his back. So the gentleman taking the back, the lady in the front. So we're gonna sit like this. Keep your legs.
Okay.
So you hold the pedal in this position, this side. If you won't go straight, you can go from both sides. So if you won't turn right, you do only from the left side. If you want reverse,
It's a busy.
it's very easy.
Okay, so if I'm sitting here, am I facing forward? Right? Okay, that's scary.
So
Yeah.
the area will be from those villas,
Yeah.
the villas, the three boys,
Okay.
they are going to the left side.
Okay.
So this side is used for boat channel, only this area for kayaking. And
Okay.
not allowed to go behind the villa also.
Okay.
Okay. That's about all we have time for in this episode. Now stay tuned and watch out for the very next episode, because we didn't just talk the talk, we did walk the walk, more like we did kayak. Now share this link with your social network with your loved ones and subscribe to Dreamstream TV, because we have more in stock for you. Bye bye, talk to you sometime soon.